Well, two national civil rights leaders are asking for a special prosecutor in the case of 18-year-old Devon Gregory. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office released body camera footage of the deadly shooting last night. The medical examiner says Gregory shot himself. Law enforcement sources say JSO officers then fired into the parked vehicle. The medical examiner has not determined which shot was fatal. On your side's Don White has details of why leaders believe an outside investigator needs to take over this case.
Bishop Tavis Grant has worked with the families of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, and Jacob Blake. Now Grant and the Reverend Jesse Jackson are getting involved in the case of Devon Gregory.
Today, Reverend Jackson has placed calls to the governor and to the Attorney General of the state of Florida.
The Reverend Jesse Jackson and Bishop Tavis Grant issued this statement today, and it not only calls for a special prosecutor in this case, but also for an investigation of the entire JSO.
There is something wrong, systemically wrong, with Jacksonville law enforcement. And Devon Gregory paid a very high price. He lost his life.
The JSO says the agency can't comment on the calls for a special prosecutor because this is an ongoing investigation.
We need all body cam, all dash cam. We need all witnesses subpoenaed and under oath. We need every officer involved in this shooting interviewed and sequestered. We need a gag order right now.
Bishop Grant and Gregory's family are expected to hold a press conference Saturday in Jacksonville. In Jacksonville, Dawn White, First Coast News on your side.
Dawn, thank you.